Fred and Rex. Fred and Rex coming all the way from Las Vegas, Nevada. Once again, for those of you just joining us, these are not employees of Doc Dogs. These are just regular people every day coming out, bringing their dogs, having a blast. There we go. Showing off to the crowd right there. You know that we love it. They are part of that Las Vegas Doc Dogs Club. We also have members from our Chicagoland Doc Dogs Club and a lot of other clubs. If you guys are interested, go right behind the dock. Oh, looks like Rex is right back there. Getting all set. Here we go. Okay, which means that we're ready to come back to the top of the order, all the way from Las Vegas. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together once again for Fred and Rex. Oh, look at that, some nice high jumps for you guys. Looks like it's time for Rex to get back there, get the position. Nice.